Lynn Alcantara, hugot na hugot, I know that my truth is the truth. Alright. Kung di pa po kayo nakapollow, follow and share lang po para sa news update. Salamat. Matagal nang nabiktima ng matinding bashing ang kapuso actress na si Kylene Alcantara. Pero mas pinipili niyang magpaka-positive sa bawat laban ng kanyang buhay. Aware ang dalaga sa mga pambabatikos at pagnenega sa kanya ng mga haters sa social media. Kabilang na rin dyan ang pakikialam sa kanyang personal life. Nagbukas ng kanyang saloobin si Kylene tungkol sa mga pinagdaraanan niya sa April 2025 edition ng Cosmopolitan Philippines na may titulong It's Hot Girl Summer for Kylene Alcantara, but she's keeping her cool. Aminado ang dalaga na hindi madali para sa kanya ang paghaharap sa mga challenge na dumarating sa kanya. I just protect my peace. There are days when you cannot just silence the noise it's drowning. But you cannot just sink. You need to focus again and float above the surface by listening to the voices that matters to you. Ang pahayag ni Kylene na controversial ngayon dahil sa breakup nila ni Kobe Paras. I've been bashed for the things that I did not say or do, or because I decided to upgrade myself, or just because I tried too hard. But I was judged already before I even opened my mouth. So I'd rather have my small circle know my truth than be open in public and still be judged and bashed for it. Katwiran pa niya. Pagpapatuloy pa niya sa naturang panayam, kahit anong sabihin nyo sa akin, it's okay. As long as my intentions are clear, I know my truth. And I know that my truth is the truth. You may have your own side or the story, but my truth is the truth. Say pa niya. Piling ni Kylene, wala siyang dapat ipaliwanag sa publiko. I really don't have to explain myself. You can say whatever you want about me as long as alam ni God, alam ng Panginoong Diyos kung ano talaga nasa puso ko. Kung ano talaga yung nangyari, I am comfortable with that. I can sleep peacefully at night with that. I can live with that. Anya pa. Samantalang, muling mapapanood si Kylene sa upcoming revenge drama series ng GMA7 na Beauty Empire, kung saan makakasama rin sina Barbie Fortesa, Lupa Gutierrez at Gloria Diaz. At yan ang totoo. Alright! Thank you for watching po. Follow for more video. Salamat!